Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from One Day Savings. So we have a large painting, nice bright colourful one. I have a special diamond painting and I have an off the canvas that's a little bit different but not. So if you may see, it is coasters, which we have. I have unboxed quite a few different coasters recently because quite frankly there are so many fun designs that I really like them. But these are actually a little bit different in the fact that these come with clear protective covers. So if anybody has been wanting to do coasters but doesn't want them to get damaged by putting hot drinks on top of the diamonds, then these might be for you. So these are on acrylic. It is sticky on the top. You do just need to be able to get hold of the peel back clear cover, but they are sticky, if you can hear that. And then you get a clear cover to clip over the top. So I don't want to clip it over the top now because I may never get it back out again, but it will keep your diamonds protected underneath and you're putting your drinks on this part. So quite a nice upgrade to the standard types of coasters that I've shown before. I picked this set with gorgeous different designs, though I will pop the link to them down below. There are many different designs available. This one just caught my eye, probably because it's quite vibrant. There's a few different shapes in this one as well, which is quite nice. So we have what we could call medium, maybe. Oh, hang on, there's some extra ones. So we've got medium rhinestones in pink, standard-ish, they look a little bit bigger, in orange, medium in yellow, medium in blue, standard in green, purple, turquoise and pink. They actually may be a little bit bigger than your standard rhinestones. So maybe they're medium and the others are large. Then we have some super large in purple. So there is a couple of these that do have the big one on. We then have some bigger ones in yellow. And then we have some, I'm trying to sort of group them together. These ones that look a little bit like eyes in turquoise, red and purple. Then we have a more elongated one in yellow, a bit more like a petal. And then we have some bigger ones in pink. So quite a few nice different colours there to do, and different shapes and things to make up your coasters, but then you can pop a plastic cover over the top to protect them. So I thought they were quite fun, and as I say, a little bit more usable, a little bit of a chance for it to last quite a bit longer. I love that teal one, so I'm going to pop that one on the top. It's got a little hint more teal in than the others have. So that is item number one. And then we go to a special diamond painting. This one has 11 different diamonds. Are they all rhinestones? Yeah, they are. And those other rhinestones definitely are a bit bigger. So that's your standard diamond size rhinestone. And that's what I classed as the small ones. They are bigger. I did think they were. But you know when you've not seen them for a bit. It's a bit like that. So this one does have a couple of different sizes. But we have standard rhinestones in pink, yellow, gorgeous teal, some more deeper yellow, green, orange, and then we have those little button looking ones in pink with like an AB coating. Then we have a rhinestone that's more of an iridescent. We have some gold, We have some yellowy goldy looking rhinestone like leaves, and then we have some teardrops as well in the same sort of champagne-y gold. It's a nice gold, it's a pretty gold. And I've gone for this flower design. I thought it looked absolutely stunning. Once you've popped on the sparkle rhinestones, it's a really, really nice looking flower. The design of this, if we're going for the part you would frame, is actually 25 by 25. The widest part sort of across the flower is roughly 18 and a half-ish, and then you do get just short of the full, it's probably 24 and a half-ish down if you take off this little gap at the bottom. But still quite a few rhinestones to place, but won't take as long as a full 30 by 30. And then for the actual diamond painting, it's not 310 on this one, but there is a lot of 939, which normally if there's no 310 you'll find a 939 instead. But the colours on this one is what grabbed me. So this one is a round, does come with a toolkit. It is down as a 50 by 50, but the actual diamond painting area, if I can get my tape measure to lie flat, is 45 by 45. So it does take into account the 5 centimetres of the borders, but look at him. Isn't he beautiful? So there is quite a bit of 939, but there is some gorgeous vibrant colours otherwise. I'm going to hold it up this way. As you can see, there's a lot of 939, but then we do have some gorgeous yellows, bright pinks, beautiful greens, purples, browns, pale blues, more of a standard pink than a hot pink. We've got some red, we've got some green, we've got some blue. There's 19 colours in this one. It just uses numbers and letters on the symbols, which I kind of like, especially if you need to write out your symbols for your stickers, for your pots. But if you're not shy of a bit of 939 and love the pop of colour you can end up with from a picture, then this one is absolutely beautiful. He's a handsome boy. Okay, so they are my 3 choices for today. I will pop links to each of them down below so that you can have a browse for either the same or something similar. But thank you to One Day Saving for sending me these to share with you all, and thank you to all of you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.